So,
Well, I saw, yeah, of course, recently also we discussed about this. My only humble request to all those concerned who receive such messages, please don't hesitate to come quietly, file FIR, or inform us, even informally. We are there to track it out. And we are here to make sure that everybody are safe, everybody are doing business peacefully. So therefore, any such kind of messages, if they receive, I would request all of them kindly send it immediately to the uh, police station or the police outpost, or even to the district headquarter of the police and the state headquarter. Well, yeah, that is different issue. What I'm saying, because see, you don't know. Maybe they must have received 2 weeks or 3 weeks back. They kept quiet. They did not share with us. They did not inform to us till it came out in the public. So yeah, for so moto is different issue. But what I'm saying is those concerned stakeholder, in case if they receive such messages, I would request all of them, don't hesitate. Please don't hesitate, bring it to the notice of the government, and action will be taken accordingly.